Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing, and today it is the Lenovo Thunderbolt 3 graphics dock. This is on loan from Lenovo, so we're going to send this back to them when we're done with it. We're going to have a full review of this up on the main channel at lon.tv very shortly. Now this is a Thunderbolt 3 dock where you have a single cable that gets you a whole bunch of ports replicated. But in addition to getting some extra ports on your computer when you plug it in, it also has an integrated GPU. It's a GTX 1050 with 4 gigabytes of video RAM on board, so you can get better graphical performance out of your laptop when you are docked at your desk. I don't believe this provides power to your laptop, but it does give you a graphical boost and a number of additional ports, including that GPU inside too. So you have a headphone microphone jack here for audio, USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.0 ports over here, regular USB plugs there. On the back here, you've got the power connector for its power supply. You get 2 DisplayPort outputs plus an HDMI output. It can do 4K, but gaming won't be so great at 4K on a 1050 GPU. And you also get a gigabit Ethernet connector there as well, so you can share the Thunderbolt connection between the GPU, the Ethernet here, and the USB ports. So it does, kind of work as a dock would normally work like. On the side here is where you plug the Thunderbolt cable into your computer. So you'll plug that portion here into your PC. It does require your computer to have Thunderbolt 3. If you don't have that, it's not going to work. You could have USB-C, but if you don't have a Thunderbolt 3 equipped USB-C port, this dock will not work. You also get a Kensington lock here to keep your dock locked down on the desk. I believe this sells for $3.99 right now. Also in the box, if we can continue unboxing it here, got a little warranty card. And we've got some cables here. This is your Thunderbolt 3 cable. Typically, they put a short cable in with these docks just because these cables are very expensive, believe it or not. So that's the cable that you plug into your computer. This is the US power adapter there. Here is the power brick itself. Like most docks, it's got a big brick on it here. Now, this dock, again, doesn't provide power delivery to the laptop because a lot of that power is going to the GPU that's built in, but you have that. And you got a few other documents in there as well. Now this should work not only with Lenovo devices, but with other Thunderbolt 3 equipped computers, but they're not supporting those. So they support their own products with this, and there's a list of them, I believe, on the box here that it does support. But you should not expect this to work with, or it will work, but they won't support other configurations here. So it might work with those, but it's not going to support those other versions. But we'll test it out with a couple of different computers in my main review, including the Mac. And Apple just added support for external GPUs in OS X. However, they don't support NVIDIA GPUs, but we'll test it anyhow and see how it comes together. So stay tuned. We're going to have some fun playing around with this new dock here. It's kind of nice to have a very slim dock that adds a graphical boost to your laptop if it's lacking a GPU. So when you get home, you can plug it in and play some games on it better than you might when the computer is separated from its dock without that GPU. So stay tuned, more to come at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters of the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.